Good
Morning,
morning.
Kapa.
Thank you. Feels so good to see so much of participants on an early morning. So before I begin with, I want to ask you all a question. Do you know what is the most challenging, most difficult, but yet the most rewarding and most beautiful job in this world?
Mother, being a mother.
Yes, it is motherhood. And of course, when I was given the role of a team on, right when Mother's Day is round the corner, what best theme can I choose rather than taking up a theme to appreciate and celebrate mothers? And so goes my theme, the angels in your life. Before we jump into this theme, I would like to call the grammarian for today to introduce the word of the day also. And to tell about our grammarian, he is a mechanical engineering student at MIT Anna University who is very passionate towards automobiles, a person who enjoys listening to music, cooking, cycling, and loves to be creative and learn new things. Such a diverse person. Please help me in welcoming Toastmaster Surya.
Thank you so much for the introduction. I will be the grammarian for today and I will note down the good usages and not so good usages of the English language. And the word of the day is cocoon, which means to envelop or in a protective or comforting way. And for the grammar tip of the day, there are every day and every day are have two different meanings. Every day without a space in between means it is seen or used regularly. For example, social media has become a part of everyday life. And every day with a space in between means each day, which means the usage is I drink coffee every day. So these are two different words. And since we have been hearing the word corona and COVID every few minutes mentioned, we can try to avoid it. So it's the word to be avoided. I will note down the number of times the speaker uses the word, and I will give my report at the end of the meeting. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Surya. So we all say this Mother's Day, a day to celebrate mother and all those things. But as per history, how did this Mother's Day origin? What do they say in this history? How the Mother's Day came into picture? The history as per books goes like this. In early 1900, even before the Civil War, there was a person named Anne Reeves Davis. She started a self-help groups during those days in order to help and support all the local mothers there to bring up their kids. And later in 1905, when she passed away, her daughter wanted to celebrate this day and cherish all their mothers and continue the service which her mother had done. So in 1908, she started a huge party. She threw a huge party to cherish and celebrate every mother across her, around her. And eventually in 1912, this became world famous and everybody started celebrating this Mother's Day, which we all know right now. Different countries celebrate Mother's Day on different dates. And I was just going, even I was not aware about all these till yesterday. When I was going through this in Google, I was so much fascinated to see so many countries celebrating and cherishing mothers. Even few countries declare it as a holiday and celebrate their motherhood. So before we know about motherhood and Mother's Day more, let's move on to the next session for the meeting. Meraki always comes up with very special aspects and special things. And one such thing is book review, management book review, where everyone volunteers to take up this role, and this gives us an agenda in our week list to go and read some book and give us ideas to others and encourage them to read other books. And to do this book review, we have a very special person who loves to do this book review, because most of the meetings he attends, I see him taking this management book review. I'm not sure how many books he would have read right now and how many books he would have reviewed right now in the meetings. This person is a software engineer by profession, an avid learner, a person who is good in listening to books, And while listening to books, he fails to listen to his wife. That's what he claims himself. A person who's very calm, composed, a down-to-earth person, and who's currently looking forward for ways to kill his passion. Please help me in welcoming Toastmaster Muki to do the management book review for today.